This video is clickbait.
Or is it not? I know, the Thinkpad of Backpacks trend
Is stupid, but this time I am serious. Sort of. So buckle up and hear me out.
There are a couple of reasons why I would recommend you this backpack. Quality, price, and extensibility. ThinkPads were business-grade laptops. That means they were intended to be high-end products for executives that needed top-notch hardware, durability, and last but not least, drip.
And do you know who else wants those things?
The military. Military equipment is designed to be reliable, durable, and tends to be tactical. The backpack's fabric looks and feels premium, with some degrees of water resistance. The whole product is crowned by the internet's nerds' beloved YKK zippers. The overall look and feel is that of an item which is going to last a really long time. This backpack is not cheap.
It comes at a price of 125 euros.
If you look for a plain military backpack, that's true, out there is full of cheap ones. Nonetheless, I have to admit it, this backpack is worth your money, especially if you compare it with other backpacks on the same price range.
Sure thing, this backpack cannot be core-booted, and typing on it doesn't feel that much comfortable at all. But it still has a large main compartment with 2 mesh pockets, and being a civilian-rented backpack, it has got a pocket for your laptop.
Inside you can fit a ThinkPad, a mouse, Burger the cat, and also all of you viewers. The front of the backpack has a smaller compartment with a lot of pockets,
which are really appreciated by EDC lovers. And if that is not enough, you get 2 more pockets, one of which is perfect for your sunglasses.
And on the back, it has a compartment for the hydration bag.
Do you need more space? Well, the backpack is MOLLE compatible,
so you can apply as many external pouches as you want. It even has 2 Velcro straps for your morale patches. I use it for my blood type. Oh, since my country is civilized and we don't go around with guns, I forgot about the CCW pocket, which sometimes I use for my raincoat.
It can also be used for hiking.
This was a triumph. I am making a note here. I absolutely love this backpack, and I think that it can be considered the Thinkpad of Backpacks. Or maybe it is the MacBook of backpacks, and the XD design is the Windows of backpacks, and the real Thinkpad of Backpacks would be a shopper bag. Or maybe the real Thinkpad of Backpacks are the friends that we made along the way, or this video is clickbait. Anyways, thanks for watching.